Hey everyone, I've been getting questions about how to keep the closed captioning that you do using Screencast-O-Matic in a video that you add to Google Drive and then import or insert into a Google Slides presentation. So here's how you do that. So assuming that we have gotten our captioning done, you can see down here in the timeline that I've got some captions done. What you want to do is you want to click on Save as File, and you want to come to the part that says Open Captions, and you want to make sure that you check the box that says English so that it will embed the captions into the video file, and then you just click on Publish. Once the file is published, I can come over to Google Drive, and then I can find the location of the file on my computer. In this case, I have it in my screencasting folder. I can drag it into Google so that it will upload. Once the video is uploaded to Google Drive and there's been some processing time, you can open the video and you can see that the captions are shown below. Now that we've opened the video one time, we can come over to Google Slide and we can choose the insert menu and we can insert video from Google Drive. And since I just opened it, I can click under the Recent tab and I can see the video right here. I click and select it and now it is in Google. Let me go ahead and present. And you can see the captions are showing up here. So I hope this is helpful.